Okay guys, good morning. Today we're gonna do unboxing and review of Hoover Blade Max. We got this in Canadian Tire for um, 250 bucks. It's on sale, 50% off. So let's see what's inside. And because we live in a one-bedroom apartment, so we prepared this one, and we bought this also so that we can use to our car. So let's see what's inside. Okay, what's inside the box? The manual that we don't read. Let's see. Okay, some attachments. I think these are all for the attachment. And this one's used for carpet mode. And this one. Oh, there's a nice soft, it's like velvety. Microfiber thing, not velvety, microfiber attachment with a protective cover when maybe you're not using it. Okay, so the first box usually basically it's just an attachment, and we're gonna go to the main thing. The one we bought has two batteries, so I got one and two. I think this battery alone costs already 100 bucks, so that's why we get this one. And we go in that one. Another attachment with brush. Okay, let's remove this. Those are the attachments, and I think this is the canister. Yeah. And this is the main one. And the charger for your battery. So basically that's it. So you got two batteries and loads of attachment. You can use it maybe to use your car, to clean your car. And that one, I think this one is just like, I don't know. Oh, I think this one is a holder for some of your attachments. And yeah, basically that's it. What's inside your Blade Max, Hoover Blade Max? Basically that's the attachment. What's inside? Then I'm gonna make another review on how does it performs. Okay, we're just gonna charge the battery and then we'll go back to you soon. Peace. Thank you. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is how to attach the attachment and the canister to the main source. So if you can see, there's an arrow for this one. It says peel. And then for the canister, you will see also this one. Okay, see? Yeah. So basically, just gonna put that one in, and you can see there's a line here that goes this one. Okay, so basically just line that one and just snap it. Did you hear the click? So if you hear the click, that's basically you're in. And then what we're gonna do, get one of the battery, but it is advisable that they said that we have to fully charge it first before we use it. But just for video purposes only, we're gonna try it, okay? And then you're just gonna snap in here too. There you go. This is your main unit. Let's see if there's a charge. Whoa. Not that bad at all. It's quiet. If you can hear, I don't know if the video is too loud, but basically it's not that bad. So there's a power button to go max. Yeah. So it's already low, but so I have to charge this battery for 2 hours again. Then we'll get back to you on how to use it. So basically the attachment, we got the long ones. It says Blade Max. And yeah, and I show it already to you, the other attachment. So we're gonna make a video on how this thing works and the performance. So we'll get back to you soon. Peace.